Hey there! Let me ask you this, have you ever felt like giving up after a tough day, even when you know your goals are worth pursuing? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about how to build resilience and stay motivated, even when things get tough. Because success isn't about never falling, it's about getting back up every time. Resilience isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. And the way to build it is through consistent action, even when you don't feel like it. Think about this, every small step you take creates a habit. And habits are the building blocks of resilience. For example, let's say you're working on a side hustle. Maybe one day you only have 15 minutes to dedicate to it. Instead of skipping it, you use those 15 minutes to plan tomorrow's tasks. It might feel small, but over time, those little actions add up to big results. And here's the thing, action fuels confidence. The more you do, the more capable you feel. Resilience isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Now, let's talk about motivation. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to celebrate small wins. Too often, we focus only on the big goals, like earning a certain amount of money or finishing a major project. But those big goals are built on small victories. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're learning a new skill, like graphic design. Instead of waiting until you've mastered it to celebrate, reward yourself for milestones along the way. Maybe you completed your first tutorial or created a simple design. Take a moment to acknowledge that progress, it's what keeps you going. So, what's a small win you can celebrate today? Maybe it's as simple as sticking to your plan or learning something new. Every step matters. Let's be real, emotional setbacks happen. Some days, the weight of frustration, doubt, or fear can feel overwhelming. So how do you deal with those moments? One of my favorite tools is journaling. Writing down your thoughts isn't just cathartic, it helps you organize your emotions and gain clarity. For example, if you're feeling stuck, try this. Write down what's bothering you, what you can control, and one small action you can take to move forward. Another great strategy is seeking mentorship. Sometimes, all it takes is a conversation with someone who's been there before to help you regain perspective. If you don't have a mentor, consider joining a supportive community where you can share your journey and learn from others. Remember this, resilience isn't about avoiding failure. It's about keeping your enthusiasm alive, no matter how many times you stumble. That's what makes you unstoppable. Here's your action step, write down one small win you've achieved recently. It could be anything, sent my first email to a potential client, finishing a workout, or learning something new. Whatever it is, celebrate it. Recognize that every small win is a step towards your big goals. Building resilience and staying motivated isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up every day, no matter what. Celebrate your small wins, embrace the process, and remember that every setback is a setup for a comeback. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, small steps every day lead to big changes over time.